Hello, we are Team Enginetech, and we are going to talk to you today about gaskets. Enginetech gaskets help you build better engines faster. When a customer asks you about gaskets, do you know how to answer their questions? What are the most important selling points of this product? How often should they be replaced? And what can be suggested to the customer to purchase along with engine gaskets? This video aims to answer common questions and make it easier for you to assist your customer with their purchase.
Did you know that gaskets should be replaced every time you take apart an engine? When gaskets become stressed due to overheating or wear, it is critical to replace them. Gaskets are responsible for sealing the engine and are a must-have item in any engine rebuild or repair.
Rebitter's gaskets are designed specifically for the engine builder. With superior design and materials, unlike OE designs, the Rebitter gaskets is designed for and works better on rebuilt engines. Individual gaskets are die cut from the right material in the right thickness for the right application.
Head gaskets are no-retorque with virtually no loss in clamping force over time. Valve cover and pan gaskets have the proper thickness for optimum sealing. They are durable, flexible, and have a long shelf life. Intake gaskets are designed to prevent vacuum leaks and withstand high temperatures from exhaust crossover heat on V-type engines. They're embossed or have raised elastomeric beads to give high unit pressure and superior sealing on narrow flanges.
Enginetech makes purchasing the right gaskets easy by bundling all the right components together in our gasket sets. Enginetech's consolidation of gasket sets means fewer part numbers accurately covering more engines, resulting in convenience and lower inventory costs for your customers.
If your customer is buying head gaskets, why not suggest they also consider purchasing our head bolts? Enginetech cylinder heads are the perfect addition to a rebuild. Enginetech head bolts go through strict quality control inspections to ensure the best possible product on the market.
Now you know how Enginetech gaskets stand apart from the competition. Now you can properly advise your customers about gasket materials, the frequency of replacement, and the benefits of purchasing gaskets in sets. Whether it's consistent quality, technical attention, or the expert service you expect, our team works hard every day to earn and maintain your business. Enginetech's full line of products saves your company money and ensures you complete your jobs on time. Thanks for watching.